Hey guys, what's up? Today I ripped out the axle out of my W201 Mercedes 190E and I thought I would take you guys along. The problem I had was that I heard strange noise from the backside of my car. I did one wheel bearing, but it didn't do anything, and it was just sort of a rattling noise that didn't stop anymore, and it got louder and louder. And I think that it's a bearing in the differential. While we have the rear axle out, we're gonna replace the bushings and all the control arms. Yeah, we will just start by removing the differential. I think it's just these 4 bolts here, and also there is one. Okay, so the differential is disassembled from the rear subframe now. I can't feel any play in those bearings. They all seem fine. In terms of axial play, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna open it up. It's just these screws here, and then we'll see how it looks from the inside. Let's go. The differential is opened now. At first glance, I don't see any crazy wear on those gears. I mean, there is some wear, but it seems to be very consistent. Yeah, but also I don't have a reference point here, so I'm not sure. Maybe one of you guys know. I think the sound I heard from the differential is more related to one of those bearings, or the rear one. We will take these wheels off, see how the bearings look. Okay, to remove those wheels, we have inside the differential, we have a small clip that we can pull out. There you see it, you just have to stick something in there and pull it out. On the other side, the same thing, and then these shafts should just slide right out. Okay, so the main part of the differential is out now, those gears. What I noticed is that those bearings, they are full of dirt and very much debris, and they don't feel very smooth on both sides actually. Found also some bigger pieces of sludge in there. This bearing, however, if I spin this, first of all I hear a rattling noise. And second of all, the force I need for now it's stuck. So this bearing is destroyed, completely destroyed. Now I need a lot of force to turn it. Yeah, for me that means that this bearing is destroyed, and this is also that bearing that made the bad noise when I was driving the car. And that means that we have to replace this bearing. Easier said than done, because when tightening this nut you have to adjust the right friction value. That's the attack plan for now. A problem I have right now is to get this bearing off of this shaft here. I fabricated this part here, and I'm gonna put this on here, weld it on this. Once I welded this part on the bearing, I can then pull it off with this puller. Pulling off the bearing with my fabricated piece of cube worked pretty well. Now I have all the bearings on my table here. These are the parts I'm gonna order. It's good because they all have part numbers on them. I will share you them in the video description if you want to check it out, or if you're rebuilding a differential yourself. I can't guarantee that they will fit for you because I think they might have different size bearings, especially if you're doing it on the W201. I think they have bigger differentials, but I can also put the part number of my differential into the video description as well, so you can compare it, or even the VIN of my car. Also, I'm gonna order this new nut, this shim, and this compress ring. These are the parts I'm gonna order now. I think it's the end of this video. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope I could help you. If you want, leave a like, and if you subscribe, it would help me really much. I know it's my first video, I probably did lots of rookie mistakes. There will be improvement in the future, and I'm gonna make a second video of me putting it back together. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.